Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common struggle that many people face, applying contact lenses. It's a skill that can be a bit tricky at first, but once you master it, it becomes a breeze. You might be surprised to learn just how many people struggle with putting in contact lenses. It's a common issue that many of us have faced at some point. Whether it's due to discomfort, fear of touching the eye, or simply not knowing the correct technique. Now, let's talk about why it's so important to know how to apply contact lenses correctly. Not only does it ensure clear vision, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. So it's definitely worth investing some time in perfecting this skill. When you're trying to put on contact lenses for the first time, it can be a bit daunting. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. From hygiene practices to insertion techniques, we've got you covered. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual demonstration of how to apply contact lenses. We'll show you just how easy and quick the process can be once you get the hang of it. Trust me, you'll be a pro in no time. In summary, mastering the art of applying contact lenses comes down to following a few key steps. Remember to prioritize hygiene, practice gentle insertion techniques, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. The benefits of wearing contact lenses for vision correction are well worth the effort. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to give it a try yourself. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Share your experience in the comments below and be sure to check out our other videos on eye care for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of those eyes.